Okay, so here are some kids. I think some of them are not yet here, like the big ones. This group, the ones that were born in May, some of them are yet to return. Okay, but the ones I want to talk about are those that have gotten full abnormally, like this one. Look, it's not right for this kid to get this full, especially when goats in Eastern Province are starving. You can see it has eaten a share of 4 goats, okay, in Eastern Province. What it has taken here can be fed to 4 goats in Eastern Province. It's not right. I need to correct this situation. Okay, so this is what we are doing. Slowly building something special. Pompey would say pole pole. Okay, slowly building something special. This is in Zambia, Serenje, and Chivale to be precise. Okay, this is what we are doing.